So Brian, it's tough to folks to pick a mechanic they feel like they can trust. And I know you guys maybe do things a little differently that builds that trust. And maybe what is that you guys do that's so different?
That's a great question. So the very first thing is we do is we care. We all care, and that comes out in everything we do, and how we communicate, and why we communicate what we do, and the procedures that we have. So we have a great warranty, which tells you we stand behind our work. We use good parts. We also make sure that we do full pictures and video of the car, good stuff and bad stuff. Like whatever there's wrong with it, there's a picture and/or video of what's wrong.
And I get to see that as the owner?
Absolutely. Every time there's.
Well, how do I know what I'm looking at though?
So our service advisors will send you the link to the digital inspection with all the pictures and video, with all the description, and it's a description that hopefully everybody can understand. It's not too techy, right? And then they describe everything as to what's wrong with it, what this component does, how it has an impact on safety and reliability.
Pretty neat. So I can drop off the car, check this out, whatever's wrong with it, and then I'm getting videos and stuff, or pictures or whatever.
And pictures and/or videos.
And the explanation. So I even understand it.
And if there's time, how much time do you realistically have before it's a major concern? Like if maybe the problem's just getting started, or maybe it's really serious. But our job is to give you safe and reliable transportation. So
that's great. And then of course you give me the estimate right there, so I can make the decision right then and there.
Completely itemized, everything explained.
And if there's something I don't understand the explanation, can I call?
It's always a conversation. We check back with everybody. You say you drop a car off in the morning. Whatever we find anything, we contact you. But even if we don't know what's going on, at 10 o'clock, there's a call, just let you know status. Whether we've gotten to it or whether we don't know anything or not, 2 o'clock, there's another checkpoint, just to check in. And then, of course, anything in between, whether it's done or, what's
even that's really nice just to know that you're going to get a phone call or you're going to know what's going on, because sometimes it's like, what's happening?
Well, there's anxiety. You drop your car off, what's going on? Car repair is not cheap anymore. So there's always anxiety. So we want to do everything we can to minimize that.
That's great. Hey, and I you mentioned your warranty too, and you guys got really great warranties. I mean, and there's that one that folks should know about. It's the 500,000 mile. That's with the oil changes, right?
Huge. Yeah, if you do your oil changes with us, we partner with Castrol. Every internal engine component is warranted for 500,000 miles, it's huge, and it doesn't cost you anything. It's just an oil change you need to do anyway.
That's fantastic. But it's an example of the kind of warranty and the kind of work you expect from these guys.
Yeah, what we do, that repair is warranted.
Right. Sure.
Which is better. The dealers are only 12 months, 12,000, so it's 3 times that.
So I drop it off. I get a picture of what's going on, a clear explanation of what's going on. I give you the go, and I've got 3-year warranty at least on that fix. Weber Automotive. I would take my car there, and I have before. So
right.
Anyway, thanks a lot, Brian. Appreciate it.
Randy. Take care.